This is our first S580 V8. Not only is it our first, it's the first UK production order. We've set very high standards at Kersey Freight. We deliver a first-class service and we deliver them on first-class vehicles.
This is the first of the UK next generation Scanias that have been ordered, and for TruckEast it's the first one to be delivered into the UK.
Kersey Freight brand is something we're immensely proud of, and how our vehicles look on the road is really important to us. The new S-line ticks all the boxes in terms of driver comfort and technology. We knew with the amount of testing Scania had done to the next generation trucks that this was the truck for us.
They've achieved a further 5% improvement on fuel economy, and you can see from the build quality how the lines are a lot tighter.
We're very proud to welcome the new Scania S580 V8 to the Kersey Freight fleet.